Welcome back, everybody. Currently leaving Walmart. Had to make a pit stop here, grab a few things, and I'm on the road. We're headed north for the night. I'm gonna be doing some camping actually on my uncle's property. Well, aunt and uncle's, but super excited. They actually have a trout stream that flows through it. I haven't been up there in a long time. I haven't fished it in so long. But I'm gonna camp out on his property for the night in my truck and do some trout fishing. Maybe look for some agates. I'm not quite sure what the creek has to offer. It could be really low. I have no idea what to expect, but either way, come along with me and we shall see what happens. Should also mention that it's about 3:15 in the afternoon. It's saying 82 degrees out right now. It is pretty warm. I'm really hoping it cools off a bit tonight. Last night it got down to like 60s, so that was nice. I wasn't camping, but either way, I'm hoping it cools off a bit before the night, because otherwise it can get pretty warm. I did charge up my little portable fans though, so that's gonna be a plus. Keep some air moving. Getting on the highway, so see you guys up there. Alrighty. I'm super excited, guys. I'm just pulling in here to his driveway. It is really thick and green in here right now. I'm gonna drive back here, find a spot to park the truck, and then we're gonna meander back and hit the creek. It's crazy. I haven't been in here in quite a while, but it's pretty green in here. I kind of figured it was gonna be super thick and green. Hopefully the bugs ain't too terrible. Get in here and park, see where the afternoon takes us. Thanks for coming along with me. It's definitely new. I don't know what that is. A little outhouse? Or a little deer blind? I don't know. But this also is partially the neighbors too. They just have a one-way drive in here, so this is so crazy, guys. I haven't been in here in so long, but right there's my Aunt Lana's tree stand. Believe it or not, I shot a couple deer out of that about 10 years ago, back in the day, out of there, and I haven't hardly been in here since. It's a good little spot though. Up here you got the food plot, so I'll probably be camping on tonight. I don't see anything out there. Alright. Another deer stand over there. And the bugs are out, I can tell you that. We made it, guys. We were literally camping out in the middle of a food plot tonight. The creek's just down here. I'm gonna get everything ready, grab my rod, and we'll go hit the creek. I'm definitely bringing this guy just in case, for bear protection. Thank gosh. I do have bug spray. Getting a little nervous because they are out. All right, here we go. Pretty thick. All right, guys, I'm trying to avoid all the poison oak and burning nettles and poison ivy, but I could finally hear the creek. Haven't been in here in so long. Kind of trying to remember how it flowed, but if I stop, oh yeah, I can hear water. It's a good sign. It's definitely moving water, which is good, so it's not too terribly low. Oh yeah, here it is. It is pretty low, but it's not terrible. All right, we made her. Definitely looks like it could have agates. And I'm glad I have these shoes on because I'm going in. I don't know, we'll see what happens when it comes to the trout fishing, I guess. Oh my, I forget how much different creek water is compared to your normal river water. This is cold. Oh, it's so cold. Put my bag down here. This looks like really good rock. This water is so cold though, my feet are going numb. And I have not yet found an agate. Decided to change over for some fishing for a bit. I'm gonna go up to that point and cast into that hole and see if we can catch us trout. I can't believe, guys, that we haven't found an agate yet. No, literally as soon as I say that, I find a little tiny little piece. If there's one, there's gotta be more, right? There's also a really nice little deep hole right here. Been seeing some trout, but it's just so hard for me to switch gears from looking for agates. Well, I'm an idiot. I was clearing out my backpack for room for rocks. Completely took most of the fishing stuff out, but luckily I still had some miscellaneous in here from South Dakota. I'm gonna throw in these tiny little Gamakatsu octopus hooks on, a tiny little split shot, and just a worm, and we'll see if we can catch some fish. There's a little undercut right here. Honestly, there might be a fish in it. Oh, yep. Oh, if I can just, there we go. There we go. Look at that. Just a baby little brook. I got my hands wet. Come on, bud. Oh, that is such a pretty little fish. Look at that beautiful little guy. There you go. Thanks for playing, bud. There he goes. Let's see, is there anything in this, under this rock? Yep. Look at that. A little bit bigger. Oh, that's so fun. He ain't too far off for being a good size to keep and fry up, but it's your lucky day, dude. There he goes, right back to his rock. Oh, wow. There's a lot of trout right there. I just don't know how I'm gonna be able to cast to them. This is gonna be something here. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm hoping you guys can see this a little bit. But those are all trout right there in the middle. There's probably a good 50 of them. There's no easy way. Oh yeah, there they go. No easy way to cast into that. That is crazy. Whew. I actually might be able to cast them right here. I had one. Dang it. Hungry and need a snack, so I brought them. Is it just me or our salt and vinegar chips bomb? Try to get this to focus for you guys. It's mainly quartz filled on the one side, it looks like. But you can see the bands. It's kind of hard to see right now on the camera. That's super cool. Alright, up the hill we go. Sun's peeking through the trees. That's pretty cool. Haven't been down here in a long time, probably 10 years or so. And it's pretty neat to fish the creek again. Haven't fished that in a long time. Found a couple little pieces of agate, nothing real spectacular, but it's pretty cool that we found something. Got a couple little trout. And now I'm just going back and gonna get settled in the truck for the night. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna be eating an MRE tonight for supper. Probably make it out here and either sit out here and eat it. If the bugs aren't too bad, I might just eat it out here. Otherwise I'm gonna hop in the truck, turn a movie on and make some, or eat some food. But I'm kind of torn here. There's two of them that kind of sound pretty good. There's one that's Mexican style chicken stew. And there's the other one, where is it? The beef patty doesn't sound too bad. Jalapeno pepper jack. Right here. Southwest beef and black beans. That sounds pretty good to me. I haven't decided, but I'm going to pick one of these two, I think. Either the Mexican stew or the Southwest beef. This one's already been cut open. I think we monkeyed with this one during gun season. These are always kind of nice to have whenever you're on the go. Like tonight I didn't really have a plan, but I'll eat one of them and it'll hold me over until morning. Beautiful night. Relaxing, quiet, birds chirping. I haven't actually gone by myself for a while. Kind of feels good, let the mind reset. Just nice to get out. Thanks to Lauren back home for letting me get out, watching the kiddos. I'm gonna owe her when I get home. Alright, as I finish up the cigar, I'm going to get ready to start making this food. I decided I'm going to go with Southwest beef and black beans. I'm pretty sure I've done this one before. I know I've had it, but either way, if you want me to start changing it up, doing like a MRE review or something, let me know. I got a bunch of them and I could probably get a bunch more, so I'm going to get into this though. Get it going here so I could hop in the truck and start a movie. Got a whole bunch downloaded off of Netflix. Gotta love a good old cigar. Let's see what we got in this one. These things are pretty cool. They're kind of fun too, you never know what you're gonna get. Inside we got tortillas. Mosquitoes are out. We got some mocha cappuccino instant powder. We got our heater element in our case for it. We got some apple pieces and spice sauce. That might be kind of good. We got teriyaki beef stick. I don't know if I've ever gotten one of them. Cheese spread. We got some beverage base, raspberry, a little bit of TP, moist towelette, salt, and some gum. Spoon. Oh, these are so good. MRE trans fat vanilla pound cake. And this is it. Southwest beef right here. Alrighty. A lot of stuff comes in this little thing. Pretty cool. Got my water here. It says on here, it gives you all the directions, instructions. Let's see, do not overfill. Oh, smokes. There we go. Open it up just like that. So got my water right in there to the fill line. Stick your food right in there like that. Got it packed in there. And fold this over. And you stick it. Tells you all the information too about the meal on the back of this. Just like that. Now we let it sit. That should start sizzling soon. Oh yeah, it's working. And that's gonna get really hot. Alright, I'm gonna try this beef stick while we wait. Hope you guys can see that. Bridgeford teriyaki beef stick. Smells good. It smells better than it tastes. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of reminds me of dog food. Just mixed into a stick. Yeah, I don't know. It's edible, but I don't know. It's a little odd. Unfortunately, I think this heater was a dud. So I grabbed a different one. I think I'm gonna have to swap it out. It's not really getting hot like it should be. You can hear it, it's just not really warming up. Let's try this again. Let's see. I'm hoping this one will work. Unlike the last one. Oh yeah, it's getting hot now. Hopefully you guys can hear that. The thing is just a sizzling away. It's got a weird smell to it too from the heating pad, but oh yeah, it's getting hot. Give that probably 15 minutes. I also had to take a little Polaroid. My truck sitting in the middle of the plot. Another one for the collection. Alright, it's been probably 15-20 minutes now. And yeah, it's real hot in there, which is good. I want this thing to warm up completely from top to bottom. Yeah, she's cooking good now. Perfect. As long as it's hot, I'm probably going to let it keep cooking for a minute, and then I'm going to get the stuff ready, and I think I'm honestly just going to sit out here and enjoy it. And then afterwards, we'll hop in the truck and find a movie. Thanks for coming along. Alright guys, it's now 10 to 8. Getting to the point where the sun's starting to go down. This is pretty warm. I'm going to pull this out now and get to eating it. It's real hot yet. Still sizzling a bit, but anyways, open this up. Pull our food out. Yeah, it's pretty warm. Got my spoon. Got tortillas, got some cheese. Open these tortillas up. Chipotle tortillas. Nice. They're kind of stuck together. It's kind of a little weird thinking about how old these are, but I'm going to put some cheese on this actually. A little cheese on there like that. Now I'm going to take this. It smells good. Scoop some out here. Whoa. I can just see this being a disaster. Mess here shortly. Alright, that's pretty full. Try to wrap this up the best I can and dig in. Cheers. It's not bad at all. I'm spilling a bunch. It's pretty good. I've had it before, but now with the Chipotle tortillas, and honestly, it's probably one of my favorites. All right. Next one. Spread that out a little bit. I don't need all that. It's a lot of cheese. Throw all this back in here. It's kind of what I like about MREs too. You can just use this as your garbage. Garbage can. All right. Oh boy. Yep, spilling a bunch. Making the coons happy. Eat the last little bit out of the bag here. Voila. Not gonna lie, not bad. Kind of hit the spot. It's pretty hungry, so. Anyways, let's get in the truck and find a movie. There we go. Home sweet home for the night. Nothing like sleeping on a food plot. Wake up to go to the bathroom, maybe see some deer. Beautiful night. Look at that. It's quite the view. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright. Got the tablet out. Got a movie here. Got quite a few on here now. I don't know which one I want to watch yet. I honestly don't know if I've seen it before, but I think I'm going to watch Jarhead. It's still a little light out, but it's getting towards dark, so relaxing.
His hands remember the rifle. Or brown, or yellow, or red. You are now green.
It's cooling off nice. No critters out here. Still got about an hour and a half left, but so far it's been pretty good. Oh. Alright, just finished Jarhead. It's a pretty good movie. A little different. I definitely have not seen it, but yeah, it wasn't bad. I didn't expect the ending to go like it did, but overall, not a bad movie. I'm going to see if I could potentially hotspot over to my tablet, maybe watch some YouTube. If not, I'll probably pick another movie and then call her a night. It's almost 10:30 already, so it's getting kind of late. And I'm getting a little tired. But anyways, see if I can figure this out. And then if not, another movie in bed. So I'll let you guys know. believe it or not, my tablet was already connected to my phone on hotspot. I think I might watch some crazy quaddie before bed if it'll actually load out here. I'm not sure, but it's pretty neat. It's already hooked up, so would you look at that? It works. I'm gonna watch some of this and then probably call her a night. I don't think I'm gonna watch a movie if this actually loads. We'll see. Little crazy quaddie to end the night. Take one more leak before bed. Feels real nice out here too compared to in the truck right now. Nice and cool. Should almost leave the door open. Alrighty. I just paused the movie. I never actually ate the pound cake, so. Ooh. These are falling a little bit. It smells real good. It smells really sweet. Yep, very sweet. That's really good though. Alright, back to the movie. I'm definitely getting tired, guys, so I think I'm gonna call her a night after these last couple videos, and I'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. Nothing like opening your door to some woods right behind you. Opening your window, sorry. Oh, good morning though. It's about 8 o'clock now. I'm gonna get up, get a move on with my day. Overall, I slept pretty dang good last night. It cooled off real nice. And my one fan died. I did have another one, but I didn't even bother with it. It actually got to the point where I was almost a little chilly at one point. But honestly, not bad. It was actually really nice. But anyways, I'm gonna get up, get on with my day, and I'm gonna get out of this truck. So, gotta love these. Super comfy. Easy on, easy off. Alright. A little moist this morning. I'm gonna grab a towel and dry this off quick. Beautiful morning. The sun shining up over the trees. Deer stands just a glowing. It's gonna be a good day. Adios, food plot. Adios, food plot. Thanks for having us. It's pretty funny that we just slept in a food plot last night. Got my bang here to start the morning. I'm gonna end this video here, guys. I had a lot of fun. I was able to explore some property that I haven't explored in a long time. I want to give a huge shout out to my Uncle Tim and Aunt Lana again. Thank you very much. Letting me come out here and do this. And believe it or not, we're actually gonna end this video. We're gonna go to a different property of theirs, and I'm gonna do another video, but Jeremiah's meeting me, so I'm on my way to meet him right now at their restaurant. So I'm gonna end this video, and we'll jump straight into that one. 2 days of filming, 2 nights, 2 different properties, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm almost back out to the main road here. I'm gonna get boogieing, and I'm gonna meet Jeremiah, and we'll get filming another video. So thanks for coming along with me. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys have any suggestions or anything you want to see, something different, just leave them in the comments below. Oh my gosh, a bear just ran in front of me. I just about hit a bear, guys. It scared the crap out of me. Just a little bear literally ran right in front of my truck. Whew. Like literally, he came booking. There's a field right here. He came booking right out of here and ran right across, right in front of me. Woo! There's a lot of bears up here. But anyways, thanks again. Really appreciate it. If you guys got something you want to see, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see if I can make it happen. Thanks a lot, and see you guys in the next adventure. Love y'all. Back on blacktop. Yeah, that bear must have ran it across that field. Crazy.